The 2026 Roadmap for Self-Taught Success and Career Switching. The landscape of artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, creating a wealth of opportunities for driven individuals. This isn't just about coding, it's about problem solving, creativity, and shaping the future. What was once the exclusive domain of PhDs in elite institutions is now remarkably accessible, making AI one of the most exciting and meritocratic fields to enter today. Forget the traditional gatekeepers. The democratization of AI tools, platforms, and educational resources has effectively leveled the playing field. Companies are increasingly prioritizing demonstrable skills and practical contributions over rigid academic credentials. If you're a curious learner with a passion for technology and a willingness to put in the work, the barriers to entry have never been lower. This is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how industries value talent. The demand for skilled AI professionals far outstrips the supply, creating a unique window of opportunity for those ready to adapt and innovate. Now is the perfect time to transition into a high-impact, high-reward career that will define the next decade. This presentation will guide you through the precise steps to navigate this new frontier, empowering you to carve out your own success story in AI.
Welcome to the forefront of innovation. The artificial intelligence sector is not just expanding, it's experiencing an unprecedented explosion, creating a vast landscape of new job roles and career paths. This chapter will dive deep into the statistics and trends that underscore this rapid growth, illustrating why now is the most opportune moment to enter this dynamic field. We'll explore how AI's influence is permeating every industry, from healthcare to entertainment, generating a constant demand for fresh talent and innovative thinkers. The traditional prerequisites for high-paying tech jobs are rapidly dissolving in the AI space. Gone are the days when advanced degrees from elite institutions were the sole entry ticket. Instead, a new meritocracy built on demonstrable skills, practical projects, and a genuine passion for learning is taking hold. We'll uncover why companies are increasingly valuing self-taught expertise and creative problem-solving over conventional credentials, effectively lowering the barriers to entry for determined individuals. This shift opens incredible doors for career switchers and those without formal computer science backgrounds to make a significant impact. This chapter will also illuminate the diverse types of opportunities available, far beyond just coding, from AI ethics and data annotation to machine learning engineering and prompt design. We'll highlight success stories and practical pathways to acquire the in-demand skills that employers are actively seeking. Furthermore, we'll emphasize why 2026 stands out as a pivotal year in this evolution, offering unique advantages for those ready to commit. Prepare to understand the full scope of this transformative job market and how you can position yourself for success in the AI-driven future.
20% plus growth rate. AI roles expanding rapidly through 2034 according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projections. 4,000 plus monthly openings. New AI job listings appearing every month throughout 2025-26, creating unprecedented opportunities. Entry-level surge. Junior AI positions growing as fast or faster than senior roles, opening doors for newcomers. The AI revolution is creating a talent gap that self-taught professionals can fill. Companies are prioritizing skills and problem-solving ability over traditional credentials, making this the perfect time to break into the industry. AI is rewriting the rules of work, and it's happening faster than most of us expected. Tasks that used to take hours, drafting reports, summarizing meetings, finding patterns in data, even writing code, can now be done in minutes, which shifts the real value toward judgment, creativity, and clear communication. At the same time, jobs aren't just replaced, they're redesigned, with people learning to delegate routine parts to AI and focus on the decisions that actually move the needle. The winners will be the teams that treat AI like a practical coworker, useful, quick, and powerful, but still needing human direction, accountability, and common sense. AI security and risk analyst. Salary, $83K to $156K. Monitor AI safety protocols, identify vulnerabilities,
ensure ethical compliance, and assess risk in AI deployments across organizations. Junior data scientist, salary $151K to $207K. Perform data preparation, cleaning, and basic modeling. Support senior scientists in building predictive models and extracting insights from complex datasets. Generative AI content creator, salary $58K to $107K. Craft compelling AI-generated media, including text, images, and video. Master prompt engineering to produce high-quality creative outputs at scale. AI trainer and annotation specialist. Salary $59K to $108K. Label training data, evaluate model outputs, and provide feedback to improve AI accuracy and reliability. Essential role in making AI systems smarter and more reliable.
The skills that open doors in AI are a mix of practical tech ability and real-world problem-solving, and you don't need to be a genius programmer to get started. First, learn how to think in workflows. Break a messy goal into smaller steps, decide what can be automated, and clearly define what good output looks like. Strong communication helps a lot here, writing crisp prompts, giving useful context, and explaining results in plain language so other people can act on them. Next, get comfortable with data fundamentals, how data is collected, cleaned, checked for bias, and turned into something trustworthy, because AI is only as good as what it learns from. If you can add basic coding like Python or SQL, you'll unlock even more, automating tasks, building quick prototypes, and testing ideas instead of just talking about them. Finally, the skill that quietly separates people is judgment, knowing when to trust AI, when to verify, and how to use it responsibly in your specific field. Data cleaning and preparation, the foundation for all AI workflows, transforming raw data into usable formats. Python and SQL proficiency, essential languages for data analysis, manipulation, and database querying. Generative AI tools, hands-on experience with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and similar platforms. Cloud computing basics, familiarity with AWS, Azure, or GCP for deploying AI solutions. Responsible AI and ethics, understanding bias, fairness, transparency, and ethical considerations in AI development. Adaptability. AI technology evolves rapidly. Your ability to learn new tools and pivot quickly makes you invaluable in this fast-paced field. Problem solving. Debugging errors, optimizing workflows, and finding creative solutions to complex challenges are daily requirements. Clear communication. Translate technical concepts for non-technical stakeholders and document your work effectively for team collaboration. Creativity. Experiment with generative AI, explore novel applications, and think outside the box to unlock innovative use cases. Ethical judgment. Evaluate AI outputs responsibly, recognize potential biases, and advocate for fair and transparent AI practices. Learning pathways for self-taught success work best when you keep them simple, consistent, and tied to something you actually want to build. Start by picking one clear goal, like analyze a dataset and explain insights, build a small app, or create an AI-powered workflow for my job, because a real target keeps you from bouncing between random tutorials. Then follow a loop, learn the basics, copy a small example, change it in your own way, and ship a mini project you can show, even if it's rough. Along the way, focus on a few core skills that compound fast: reading documentation, asking good questions, debugging calmly, and writing short notes on what you tried and what worked. Mix structured learning, a course or book, with hands-on practice, weekly projects, and get feedback early. Post your work, join a community, or find a study buddy so you don't get stuck in your own head. Most importantly, build momentum. 30 to 60 minutes a day beats a big burst once a month, and every small finished project becomes proof that you're getting better. Why Python? Python is the #1 language for AI development, powering everything from data analysis to machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch.
Learning resources. Explore free and paid courses. Zero to Mastery Python Developer Path, Coursera Python for Data Science, edX Introduction to Computer Science. Build projects. Create portfolio pieces. Automate data cleaning tasks, analyze public data sets, build interactive visualizations with Matplotlib or Plotly.
Understand core concepts. Learn supervised learning, classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and neural network fundamentals. Take beginner courses. IBM AI Foundations, Zero to Mastery AI Developer Path, Google's Machine Learning Crash Course, all designed for self-taught learners. Practice with tools. Experiment with scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and public datasets from Kaggle or UCI Machine Learning Repository to build hands-on experience. Prompt engineering. Focus, craft effective AI instructions and optimize outputs. Median salary? Around $130,000 plus. Master the art of getting AI to produce exactly what you need through strategic prompt design. AI security analyst. Focus, AI safety, compliance, and risk management. Salary range, $83,000 to $156,000. Protect organizations from AI vulnerabilities and ensure regulatory compliance. Generative AI creator. Focus, leverage AI for creative workflows. Salary range, $58,000 to $107,000. Produce stunning AI-generated content for marketing, media, and entertainment. Real-world success stories and learning and career growth usually look less like overnight breakthroughs and more like steady, repeatable strategies. You'll see people who start small, automating a boring task at work, building a simple portfolio project, or solving one specific problem for a friend's business, and then stack those wins into bigger opportunities. A common pattern is learn, build, share. They learn just enough to complete a practical project, document what they did with screenshots, short write-ups, or a demo, and share it where the right people can see it. They also treat feedback like fuel, shipping early, fixing fast, and improving in public instead of waiting for perfection. Another smart strategy is choosing a niche. Healthcare, finance, marketing, education, logistics, so their skills connect to real needs, not generic practice. The big takeaway is simple. Consistency, visible proof of work, and solving real problems beat collecting certificates every time. Jane's journey. Background: retail manager with no tech experience. Path: learned Python and AI tools in 9 months through online courses and personal projects. Result: now a junior data scientist at a fintech startup earning $160,000 annually. I never imagined I could break into tech without a degree. The key was consistent learning and building projects that demonstrated my skills. Mark's transformation. Background: freelance writer struggling with inconsistent income. Path: mastered prompt engineering and generative AI content creation through experimentation in online communities. Result: landed remote AI consultant role, earning $110,000. AI didn't replace me, it empowered me. Learning to work with AI tools multiplied my creative output and market value. Share projects on GitHub and LinkedIn. Create polished repositories with clear documentation, README files, and working code. Make your projects easily accessible to potential employers. Contribute to open-source AI projects. Join active communities, fix bugs, add features, and collaborate with developers worldwide. Open-source contributions demonstrate teamwork and real-world coding ability. Create AI-powered apps or content. Build a chatbot, develop a recommendation system, or generate a portfolio of AI art. Tangible projects showcase your creativity and technical skills. Network in AI communities. Attend virtual meetups, join Discord servers, participate in Kaggle competitions, and engage on LinkedIn. Relationships often lead to referrals and job opportunities. Pro tip: document your learning journey through blog posts or videos. Employers love candidates who can communicate complex ideas clearly and demonstrate continuous growth. Navigating the job hunt and interviews is a lot easier when you treat it like a focused project instead of a vague, exhausting grind. Start by getting clear on the role you're aiming for and the level. Then tailor your resume and LinkedIn to match that exact direction. Use the same language as the job descriptions, lead with impact, and swat generic duties for results, like reduced turnaround time, automated weekly reporting, or improved accuracy, even if the numbers are small. Don't apply blindly to 200 listings. Build a short list of companies you genuinely want, learn what they care about, and reach out with a specific note that shows you understand their work and where you can help. Networking doesn't have to be awkward either. Think of it as asking smart questions and building real connections. Message someone for a 10 to 15-minute chat, come prepared, and follow up with a thank you plus one useful thing: a link, an idea, a short summary. For interviews, your job is to make it easy for them to picture you doing the work. Have 3 to 5 stories ready using a simple structure: problem, which you did; tools or skills; result, which you learned, and practice saying them out loud so you don't ramble. Expect practical questions, case studies, take-home tasks, or walk me through your thinking. And don't be afraid to ask clarifying questions, because strong candidates don't guess, they define the problem before solving it. If you're using AI tools in your workflow, be transparent and responsible. Explain how you verify outputs, protect sensitive data, and avoid over-relying on suggestions, because trust matters as much as speed. Also, rehearse the basics that trip people up. Tell me about yourself should be a tight 30 to 60-second pitch. Weaknesses should be real but managed, and salary conversations should be calm and research-based, not apologetic. After each interview, send a short follow-up that references something specific you discussed and reinforces your fit. Then keep a simple tracker so you're not juggling everything in your head. And if you get rejected, don't treat it like a verdict, treat it like data. Ask for feedback, adjust your approach, tighten your stories, and keep moving. Because the people who land great roles aren't the ones who never hear no, they're the ones who don't let no knock them off course. Highlight projects over education. Lead with your portfolio, GitHub contributions, and hands-on experience. Show what you've built, not just what you've studied. Use AI industry keywords. Include terms like Python, machine learning, prompt engineering, data analysis, TensorFlow, NLP, computer vision, and cloud platforms to pass applicant tracking systems. Showcase adaptability. Emphasize your continuous learning mindset, self-teaching abilities, and how you've rapidly acquired new skills. Career switchers bring fresh perspectives. Quantify your impact. Use metrics, such as built a sentiment analysis tool processing 10K plus reviews, or automated data cleaning reducing processing time by 60%. Practice coding challenges. Sharpen your skills on LeetCode, HackerRank, and Code Wars. Focus on Python fundamentals, data structures, and algorithmic thinking. Consistent practice builds confidence. Study AI concepts thoroughly. Be ready to explain supervised versus unsupervised learning, overfitting, neural networks, and evaluation metrics like precision and recall. Use your projects as concrete examples. Discuss your portfolio pieces clearly. Walk through your portfolio pieces, the problem you solved, your approach, technologies used, challenges faced, and results achieved. Practice articulating your thought process. Address ethical AI topics. Be prepared to discuss AI bias, fairness, transparency, privacy concerns, and responsible use. Show you think critically about the societal impact of your work. Your AI career starts now, not when you feel ready, not when you finish every course, and definitely not when you've memorized a bunch of buzzwords. It starts the moment you choose a direction, learn one useful skill, and apply it to a real problem. Pick a simple project you can finish in a week, like building a small chatbot for FAQs, cleaning a dataset and pulling insights, or automating a repetitive task at work. Then document it so you can show your thinking and results. As you go, build the habits that matter most, practice consistently, ask better questions, verify AI outputs, and keep a small portfolio of work that proves what you can do. Opportunities tend to show up when your effort is visible, so share progress, connect with people in the field, and keep shipping. AI is accessible. No degree required. Skills, persistence, and passion matter most in breaking into this dynamic field. Target entry rules. Focus on in-demand positions with clear pathways for self-taught professionals to enter and excel. Learn strategically. Build skills step by step using free and paid resources. Consistency beats intensity every time. Build and network. Create a strong portfolio, contribute to open source, and actively engage in AI communities online and offline. Own your future. The AI revolution is your opportunity. Seize it with confidence, determination, and strategic action. The future of AI is being built by people just like you. Take the first step today, whether that's enrolling in a course, starting a project, or connecting with the AI community. Your high-paying AI career is closer than you think. The only question is, are you ready to begin?